Hi, hello to everyone. The previous classes we started square roots and square roots and their squares concepts and the cube roots and the cube roots concepts. We are started square root concepts clearly completed and cube roots concepts I was started. I think there was one or two exercises. I think I have an idea we have completed. We go back to the 6.1 and 6.2, the prime factorization method. Then after that, have a number. Pythagorean triplets I was already explained. Then after go for I told you to find out square roots of three methods. The prime factorization method. Second one is this successive odd number division. Then after division method also I told you. In the division methods, this is what find the square root by division method. This is also I was completed with decimal numbers also. It's a very clear. Then after that, the square roots is completed part. Then after we started a cube root concept, this cube root. Then after cube roots also, the finding a perfect cubes. The estimation is, I think I was already finished. Uh, then with this, the cube roots, a concept of this, by using this concept, we are completed the first exercise also. This 6.4, I have an idea. We are completed. Find the cube, the following numbers. What is the number I should multiply? What is the number I should divide to make perfect cubes? This also discussion is completed. I have an idea. Then cube roots. Today we need to discuss the cube root concepts. So now today we need to go for the concept of find out the cube root by using a prime factorization method. Okay. Now let us start a discussion of the prime factorization method concept. By using this prime factorization method, how we are going to find out a cube for a given number. So I think how you are working with finding a cube root uh, prime factorization method, it is as like the square root finding. The square root finding or cube root finding by using a prime factorization method, the thing is what you know has to take first LCM for a given number. Let us they are taken 1728. You need to find out the cube root of a 1728 number. The cube root of 728, first you take LCM for 1728. They are taken the LCM. After 728 LCM, what they got? 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 got. After this cube root we are going to find out. We can write a cube root for like this. Okay, this is cube root for this. So he has to take three pairs will come out. So three twos are there, one two will come out. Three twos are there, one two will come out. Three threes are there, one three will come out. Then multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. The answer is 12. So cube root of 1728 is 12. It's very simple. So thing is what cube root means he has to take three pairs. Three pairs. One page will come out, one number will come out. This is what a cube root finding of a given number. Square root case, previously you are taken a two number, one two will come, but is cube root means three number will come out. Similarly, the second question, 4096 is there. It has to take a number, you got like this, a cube root of this one. This is cube root of for this. So you can take three pairs, one, two, three pairs, one, two, three pairs, one, two, three pairs, one, two. So multiply 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, answer is 16. The cube root of this is 16. It is very clear thing. I hope it's very clear. Okay. Now we should go for exercise problems. I think so. There are two examples I was finished. Next, cube root finding. Estimating the finding the cube root by using estimation. That I'll discuss next after the debate is completed. We'll come back to that. Now, first question. We have to start with first question. So thing is very clear. So before going to that first question, 343, the find out the prime cube root by using prime factorization method. First thing is you can take a 343, find out a prime factorization method. So find out 343, 2 table is not possible, 3 table not possible, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 table is possible. 749s are, 7 sevens are, 7 ones are. So how can you write 343 cube root? Cube root of 343 you can write 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So three sevens are there, one seven come out. The answer is 7 for this. It is very clear. I hope it's any doubt, no doubt at all. Now let us take a second one, a 729. First you take a 729, start working over there. So cube root of 729 is first you take LCM method. How to find out LCM for this given number? It has to take 729, start working over there. 2 table is not possible, 3 table is possible. 3 2 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 3 ja. Next, 3, what is what? 3 8 ja, 24, 81. Next, 3 27 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja. What can you write this one? This cube root of 729. We can at how many you got? It is 3 into 3 into 3. Then 3 into 3 into 3. How many you got? Cube root? 3 threes. 1 3 will come out. Another 3. One more 3 will come. 3 3s. Answer is 9. For this, the answer is 9. It's very clear. Thank you. Now go back to the third question, Nana. What's the third question? 1331. Cube root of 1331. You can take 1331 is LCM. 1331 LCM, 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 table, 8 table, 9 table, 10 table, 11 table is possible. So 11 ones are 11. 11 twos, 11 ones are 11 will go, 2 will, 23, 11 to 22, 1 will come, 11 ones are. So next 11 11s are 21, 121, 11 ones are. So how can you write? Cube root of this 11 into 11 into 11. 11 will come out. What is the answer here? The answer is 11. It's very clear. No doubt at all. Thank you. Next, you take another question. 2744. Okay. 2744 case, same process. Take LCM. 2 ones are 2 3s are 2 7s are. Next, 2 6 are 12. 1 will come out. 1 7 2 8 is 16. Next, 2 6 are 12. Am I clear? Next, 343. 343, you know, 749, 7 7s are. It's very clear. So what can I write this one? A cube root of 2 into 2 into 2, then 7 into 7 into 7. I think you know how to do it as, because 3 2s are there, 1 2 will come out, 3 7s are there, 1 7. So 2 7s, the answer is 14. The cube root of this is 14. It's very clear, I hope. Any doubt it is? No doubt at all. Thank you. Now with this, the first method is clear. Okay. Now second question, find the cube root by using numbers through using estimation process. The second method is to find out the cube root by using estimation process. Okay, how to find out estimation? Okay, it's very clear. Before going to the estimation, we have to write a perfect cubes for a given number. So we have to know first of all cubes. What's a 1 cube, Nana? 1. What's a 2 cube, Nana? 8. Am I clear? What's the 3 cube? 27. What's the 4 cube, Nana? What's the value of 4 cube? It has to know, right? 64. Good. We have to 5 cube, 125. We have 6 cube, 216. 7 cube, 343. 8 cube, 512. Good. 9 cube, 729. 10 cube, 1000. First, you has to know this till 1 to 10 cubes. You has to know very clear. When you're doing that any problem, it will be helpful to you. I think it's very clear. Till this, any doubt? Now let us trying to find out the cube roots by using estimation process. How to find out estimation? First of all, you take a first question 512, because the cube root of 512, the cube root of 512 already you know, because we can write directly answer. The answer is 8. The cube root of 512 is answer is 8. No need to do it as entire thing. You can write 18, because till the 10 cubes you no need to do any estimation. We can directly write it down. It's better answer. You can take the next 4 digits. You can use the method. It will be helpful to you. What is the second question? 2197. 2197, cube root of 2197. Procedure you have to understand how I was doing. First you take a question. The question is 2197. 2197, first to last 3 digits you can take a side. To one side, 197, one more side you write it down. You can take a 2 groups. This is a group 1, another group 2 you can take it down. After this, 197, what is the last digit? 7. Last digit is 7. What are the cube roots will come? What is the last digit is 7? The last digit is 7. What is the cube root for this? 3 cube is 27. Last digit is 7. You can take number is 3 cube. The answer for this 3 you can write here. Okay, 197 you can write last digit is 7, because 7 is ending with which cube root? 3 cube root. You can take number is 3. Clear? Next you take a group 1 number is 2, because 2 it has to write which is the nearest cube. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, because the value of 2 should come a 1 cube and 2 cube in between will come. Okay, so because you have to select lowest value of this one. Lowest value is what? 1 cube. You can take number is 1, you select 1 cube, 2 cube, in between 2 will come. You can take less value. So 1 cube is, you can select the value of 1. So 1 should come here, 3 should come here. The answer is 13. So this is a way he has to find out the estimation process. It's very clear. There's no doubt at all. Clear? He has to take a number. The number you can split into two parts, 1 and 2. The first you take 3 digit number, 197 it is there, last digit is 7. You can select the 7 which is comfortable, the perfect cube, because entire thing it's only the 3 cube is possible. The answer you can write 3. After 2 will come, the 2 number will come, which in between here in between will come, less value you can take, 1 is come, 1 cube. So 13 is the answer. It's very clear. This is the way you can write the first question. Second question is clear. Now you can go back to the third question. The method he has to follow same thing. The third question is 13 3375 cube root. So method is common. First you take two groups, group 1, group 2. Same process apply. 375 last digit is what, Nana? Last digit is 5. What is the number of last digit is 5? It is perfect cube. Only 125 is there. Last digit is 5. There is no other number is possible. What is the number here? 5 cube is 125. You can take the answer is 5. Right side first digit. Next you can take 3. 3 is in between, which will come here. So come. So 1 cube. In between 3 will come 2 cube. 1 cube, 2 cube. In between 3 is there. You can take lowest value. So answer is 5. So the answer is 15. So 15 cube is 3375. This is the way you can just expect the answer. You can estimate the answer by using estimation process. This is how I was explaining the method of estimation process. Clear? I think it's no doubt at all. So I'll take one more last question for the same bit. 5832. So cube root of 5832. The method is very simple. You can take a number, divide into two parts. 832 one group, 5 is one group. Take it as 832. You take Nana. 832. What last digit? Last digit is 2. Last digit is 2. What's the last digit is 2? Last digit is 2 out of 3. 1, 8, 27, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2. Wow, here you got 2. Okay, 5, 12. So 2 you got. What is the 8 cube? So 8 cube, 5, 12 you get. Last digit is 2. So you can take 8 is here. Next number 5 you take. Number 5 will come here. 1 cube and 5, 2 cube. In between will come. Okay. So takes lowest value. Lowest value means 1 cube. So 18. The answer is what? 18. So this is the way you can estimate the answers. It's very clear, right? So estimation process means this is the process. Factorization both process. So the concept is clear. You can find the cube root by using estimation process or by using factorization method. The answer must be same. So with this, we are completed at 2 bits. I hope it's very clear. Now let us go to the true or falses. So it's very simple. You have to consider what they're telling. The cube root of first question. The cube root of an even number is odd number. They're telling. Cube root of an even number is odd number. First you the cube root. The cubes are cube of, not cube root, cube of number. First you take here. The 2 is even number. Even number cube. What you got, Nana? Even number only, no? But what they're telling, cube of an even number is odd number. It is wrong, right? So answer is false. Am I clear? It's the cube of even number is I got even number only. Here cube of 4 is a even number. I got even number only. 8 cube is even number cube, even number. That telling odd number. So answer is false. Next, a perfect cube end with zeros. It is not correct way because all are perfect cubes only. No, what is one is perfect cube, but what is ending with 1 only. 2 is perfect cube only. No, what's ending with 8, right? These are all perfect cubes only, which are not ending with 0, right? It only 10 cube is ending with, but all numbers it should not be. So this is not possible with all numbers. So this is also going to be false. Next, a number is ending with 5, then its cube also ending with 5 only, because the number is 5. The cube also ending with 125 is there, right? Because 5 is a number. The cube also, the 5 is 125. Am I clear or not? Because 5 is there. 5 is a number. It's in the 5 cube is what? 125. This is also ending with 5 only. No? It's correct only. You want clearance, one more you can take. 15 you can take. Am I clear? 15 is a number. The number is ending with 5. If you take this 15 cube, this also end the cube also ending with 5 number, because 15 cube 3375. This also number is ending with 7 only, 5 only. No, so this is concept is correct only. So it is true. Okay, clear it. Next 1, 2, 3 is over. Now fourth one, the cube of a number ending with 0, it has 3 digits at right side. Okay, let us take 10 is a number. It is ending with 0. If you take a 10 cube, it is getting how many zeros? 3 zeros at right side, right? That's also same thing. The number is ending with 0. The cube of a number ending with 0, it has 3 digits at right side. Same, it's correct only. So true. Next, a cube of a single number is a single digit. It is not a correct, right? Because one cube is single digit. I got single digit. Two cube single number. Two is single number. I got two cube 8 single digit. But three is a single digit number. But I got two digits. It is not right. It is 4 is there single digit. But I got two digit number. Similarly, you can take 9 is a single digit number. I got three digit number. It is not a correct way. The cube of a single digit number. It is not a single digit. It may be two digits. It may be three digits. So the concept is false. Okay. Now next, what they're telling, there was no perfect cube is ending with 8. There is no perfect cube, it is ending with 8. So it is wrong, right? Because we have a number 8, it's a perfect cube. 2 cube is 8 only, right? It's correct only, but they're telling there is no perfect number. It is perfect number is the 8. It's ending with 8 only. 2 cube is 8, it's correct only. So they're telling it's wrong. So the question is wrong. They're telling no perfect number is ending with 8, but perfect number 8 is 8, it's perfect cube. There's no doubt at all. So the telling concept is wrong. Okay, it is false. Next, the cube of a 2 digits number may be 3 digits. The cube of 2 digits number, it may be 3 digits. So let us to understand it is 11 cube is there. What's 11 cube? Please, you paper, anyone knows, please tell me what's 11 cube. The least number, right? You can take 10 cube or 11 cube you'll take. What's 11 cube? The 11 cube is 1331. 11 means how many digits? Two digits. What's the 11 digits? How much digits you got? Four digits you got. They're telling it's maybe three digits. No. The least number you take. What's the least number? Two digits. 10 cube. 10 cube, how much you got? 1000. How many digits? It's a four digits. The maximum two digits number, how much? 99 cube, right? 99 cube, 9 into 99 into 99 into 99. So 9 lakhs is 70,299. Here it got a six digit number I got. It is not possible. It is at least starting with a four digit number. It may be four digit, it may be four digit, it may be five digit, it may be six digit. It cannot be three digit. Okay, now here same the concept also false only. So with this, the statement of true or false is finished. I hope you enjoyed the thing. Okay, this is clear. Now for this today's session, what is the last question? The last question is the fourth. What is the fourth question? Please, can you read anyone? The fourth question, just it should be mathematical analysis. You has to be logical oriented question. So try to, it's you can get easily answer, no doubt at all. What they're telling that to the find the two digit number. They want a two digit number. It should be a square number. It should be cube number. It should be square number. It should be cube number. Okay, try to take your first of all square cube roots you take. What is the two digit number? 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. It's all. This is right. 2 cube is, sorry, I'll take 3 cube. How much, Rana? 27. 4 cube, 64. Because the only two digit numbers should possible cube roots. Next, there go for square roots also. Square roots, 1 square, it's not possible. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. 10 square is 100. We want only two digits number you need to consider. What are the two digits numbers taking into consideration? 16 inch start out at 60, 81 mark. Out of the which is a common number? Two digit number 64. 64 is common. So 64 is a number which have a perfect cube as 4. 64 is a number it have a perfect square as 8. Okay, the answer is how 64. The 64 is a number, two digits number. They want only two digit number. 64 two digit number. It has a square of the number because 64 is 8 square is 64. And as cube of number 4 cube is 64. Now it's no doubt at all. I hope you got very clearance. So this is what from my side. So I think your exercise is finished 6.5. So my dear students, your this cube roots and cube roots, square and square roots is clear. So the thing is what you need to understand till 10 cubes. The square roots not only 10 square roots you have to get till 20 square 400 you have to remember. It will be useful to you when you are calculating, when you are simplifying the questions. I hope the chapter might be finished. This is what the example things for your next. We'll see next chapter, next classes. I hope the complete chapter I was finished. The methods are there. Please go to the textbook, practice each and every problem, and each and every example problems, or many examples are there. Examples which are weightage for you to understand, to practice your sessions more and more. I hope I am very clear about you. I think my session is very clear. If you are interested, please like to our channel, share to your friends my video. Okay. I told you right, our channels, I told you very clearly, KSP Academy 2010. You can go to that YouTube. I told you many times. YouTube KSP Academy 2010. If you go to this, you can go to the playlist. After playlist, you can go to that. We have 8th class, 9th class, intermediate, 10th class basics, all the physics classes available. If your friends or anybody is there, intermediate lectures also, intermediate first year and intermediate second year also, the lectures are available. 10th class, 10th class mathematics, all maximum, all chapters I was explained very clearly with fundamentals with respect to the CBSE pattern. We can use any one person who want to learn some fundamentals in advanced level. You can follow the 10th class, even 9th class students also, they can follow the 10th class lectures, because I was teach their 8th, 9th, 10th fundamental for every chapter. So you can share them our videos. Please, possible, you can subscribe to our channel. You can share to your friends. The more people they can learn from easy of the concepts other than that. Some other sources. Okay, thanks. I hope very clear. We will see. We'll meet in the next classes with the next chapter. Thank you.